Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,535. Change for September 6.7%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. First and foremost cost at $1,535. Greatest cost $1,731. Least cost $1,349. The normal for the month $1,526. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,487. Change for October 3.1%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2023. Before all else cost at $1,487. Most extreme cost $1,487. Least cost $1,226. The normal for the month $1,380. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,318. Change for November 11.4%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. Initially cost at $1,318. Most extreme cost $1,354. Least cost $1,176. The normal for the month $1,278. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,265. Change for December 4.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2024. In the first place cost at $1,265. Greatest cost $1,396. Least cost $1,214. The normal for the month $1,295. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,305. Change for January 3.2%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. First and foremost cost at $1,305. Greatest cost $1,400. Least cost $1,216. The normal for the month $1,307. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,308. Change for February 0.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for WAC 2024. Before all else cost at $1,308. Most extreme cost $1,437. Least cost $1,249. The normal for the month $1,334. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,343. Change for spring 2.7%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. In the first place cost at $1,343. Greatest cost $1,635. Least cost $1,343. The normal for the month $1,462. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,528. Change for April 13.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2024. First and foremost cost at $1,528. Greatest cost $1,654. Least cost $1,438. The normal for the month $1,542. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,546. Change for May 1.2%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. Initially cost at $1,546. Most extreme cost $1,919. Least cost $1,546. The normal for the month $1,701. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $1,793. Change for June 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2024. First and foremost cost at $1,793. Greatest cost $1,793. Least cost $1,543. The normal for the month $1,697. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,659. Change for July 7.5%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for August 2024. At the outset cost at $1,659. Most extreme cost $1,659. Least cost $1,296. The normal for the month $1,502. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,394. Change for August 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2024. Initially cost at $1,394. Most extreme cost $1,730. Least cost $1,394. The normal for the month $1,534. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,617. change for September 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2025. In the first place cost at $845. Greatest cost $1,049. Least cost $845. The normal for the month $930. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end $980. Change for November 16.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for December 2025. First and foremost cost at $980. Greatest cost $1,165. Least cost $980. The normal for the month $1,054. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end $1,089. Change for December 11.1%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2026. At the outset cost at $1089. Most extreme cost $1,089. Least cost $852. The normal for the month $987. Greatest cost $1,109. Least cost $893. The normal for the month $983. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end $1,036. Change for spring 16.0%. ETH to United States dollars expectations for April 2026. First and foremost cost at $1036. Greatest cost $1,286. Least cost $1,036. The normal for the month $1,140. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end $1,202. Change for April 16.0%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2026. Initially cost at $1,202. Most extreme cost $1,450. Least cost $1,202. The normal for the month $1,302. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end